Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kiki. In today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this look, and I must admit guys, these colors are a little bit intimidating. The first thing that I'll be doing is to clean up my eyebrows. Cleaning my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this hydrating camo concealer, set and finish. Then on top of that I'll be using this Born This Way foundation. So let's get into it. So I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer as eyeshadow base. So for setting my eyelids, I'll be using one size in the color Sweet Honey. So the palette that I'm going to be using, it's called OMG Eyeshadow Collection by Crown. It has 35 colors in it. This is an old palette. I don't even remember where I got it from, but you know, you just use, if you want to recreate the look, you can just look for similar colors. Same brush, I'm gonna go in the green color, this one. Blend. Right here. I've decided to go in with this gold, just to put So I've done the eyelashes off camera, and what I'm going to do is to apply my foundation. One, two. my skin is mature skin. I'm not going to put foundation under my under eyes because I don't want my makeup to be cakey. So now I'm gonna go in with I'll be using Shea Glam. I don't know the name of the shade, I can't see. So now I'm gonna set my eyes with one size powder and the color Sweet Honey. I'm gonna go back in with my eyeliner. So for my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with this angled brush from Real Techniques. In with my bronzer from this is from the beauty supply store. Like this blush.